16th question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Okay, what they have given? Given things. Which term? Third term. Third term is A3 is equal to 16. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16. Equation number 1. Next, seventh term exceeds. Seventh term means A7. Exceeds means plus. Seventh term exceeds fifth term. Fifth term means A5 by 12 means plus 12. Understood? A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Understood? Okay. Seventh term exceeds plus fifth term by 12. A7 can be written as A plus 6D is equal to A5 A plus 4D plus 12. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. Plus A minus A cancel. 6D minus 4D 2D is equal to 12 into it will become divide. D is equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 6. D is equal to 6. Put this value in equation number 1. Put D is equal to 6 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2. D value is 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. Plus 12 it will become minus 12. Okay. A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to 4. We got A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 6. What we need to write? AP. What we need to write? AP. What is the formula? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Correct? What is A value? 4, comma 4 plus D value is 6. 4 plus 2 into 6 and so on. 4, comma 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, 12 plus 4 is 16 and so on. Understood? What we need to do first? We need to find out. Okay, they have given A3. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16. Equation number 1. And seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Okay. After that, we will get what? D value as 6. Put this D value in equation number 1. You will get what? You will get A value. A is 4. What we need to find out? AP. What is the formula? A plus D, A plus 2D. 4, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 12. That is 4, 10 and 16. This is the required solution. Right. 17th question, very important question. What is the question here? Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Okay, from this side. From this side, from the last term of the AP. Understood? From the last antandre one formula ಇದೆ. There is one formula. From the last antandre one formula ಇದೆ. What is the formula that? To find the term from the last is equal to an minus n minus 1 into d. An minus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula. Term from the last. Question ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? Term from the last. 20th term from the last. 9th term from the last. 15th term from the last. Last ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಇದು formula. Understood? An minus n minus 1 into d. A formula. Understood? Okay. From the given AP, what all we need to write? Okay. A is equal to 3. D is equal to formula A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus A1 is 3. Okay. 3. What is the D value? 5. What is last term? 253. Okay. For that we need to have n value. Correct? N is equal to question mark. Okay. N is equal to 20 term na. N is equal to 20. Okay. By the formula we know that 20th term from the last 20th term from the last is equal to formula an minus n minus 1 into d. What is an value? 253. an is equal to 253 minus n value is 20 minus 1, d value 5. Correct? Okay. 253 minus 19 into 5. Okay. 253 minus 95. Okay. Answer is 148. 158. 158. 158 will be the answer. Check it out. Check. Very important question. What is the question here? The sum of 4th and 8th terms is 24. And the sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. One is 24, another is 44. What we need to find it? First three terms. A plus D, A plus 2D. इतना ही बस. Okay? They have given two equations. दो equation दिए उन्होंने. कैसे equation? First equation क्या है देखो? 4th and 8th term दोनों sum करो. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವು first we need to sum 4th and 8th term. 4th means A4, 8th term is A8. Sum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay? 4th is A4, 8th is A8. Sum is plus. Equal to is how much? 24. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A4 can be written as A plus 3D, A plus 7D is equal to 2A plus 10D is equal to 20. Equation number 1. Next, A6 sum of 6th and 10th terms is equal to how much? 44. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. 6th number 10th number दोनों मिलाए तो 44 बनेगा. A6 can be written as A plus 5, A plus 9 is equal to 40. 2A plus how much? 14D is equal to 44. Equation number 2. Equation number 2 ಒಳಗ equation number 1 ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1 gives. दोनों माइनस करेंगे. Look here. Okay, what is equation number 2? 2A plus 14D is equal to 40. Then what is first equation? 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Okay, change the chinnas. Plus 2A minus 2A cancel. 14 minus 10 4D is equal to 44 minus 24 20. Into 4 it will become divide. D is equal to 20 divided by 4. D is equal to 5. A equation number 1 में डालेंगे. Put this value in equation number 1. अವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Put D is equal to 5 in equation number 1. What is the equation? Equation number 1 is 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 10 into D is 5 is equal to 24. 2A plus 10 5 are 50 is equal to 24 plus 50 it will become what? Minus 50. 2A is equal to 24 minus 50. Okay. 2A is equal to minus 26. Correct? Okay. Into 2 it will become divide. A is equal to minus 26 divided by 2 ones are 2 13s are. A is equal to minus 13. Therefore AP is what are APs? A comma D comma A plus 2D. Okay, what is A value? Minus 13. Minus 13 plus D value is 5. Okay, comma minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Minus 13, comma minus 8, comma minus 3. These are the first 3 terms of the given AP. Understood? Check the solution. This is the question here. In this given AP, we need to find out which term is first negative term. Which term means n. Which nth term is first negative term. Okay. After giving this type of questions, you need to take what? An less than 0. An less than 0. Anta tagobek nena. Which term is negative anta kottaga same. An less than 0. An less than 0. Understood? Okay. In the given AP, what is A value? What is D formula? What is A2? What is A1? Okay, 19 fours are 76 plus 1 divided by 20 divided by cross multiplying 77 ones are 20 fours are 4 ones are minus 3 divided by what is this? Okay, we got D value. A, D. What is An? An less than 0. What is N? Question mark. We need to find out N only. An is less than 0. Yaka first term is negative. Which term is first negative? Which term is first negative? An less than 0. Okay. We know that An less than 0. Formula An formula. A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Okay. An is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D less than 0. Okay. What is A value? 20 plus n minus 1. What is D? Minus 3 by 4. D is minus 3 by 4 is less than 0. Correct? Okay. Next, 20 plus into minus minus. Correct? Plus into minus is minus 3n divided by 4. How will we? Yeah. Plus into minus 3 into n. 3n divided by 4 minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3 divided by 4 less than 0. LCM is 144 LCM in bartada 4. Correct? 1 4 za 4 4 1 za 4 1 za 24 za 80 minus 3n into 1 3n plus 3 into 1 less than 0. Division 4. It will become multiplication 4. Correct? Okay. 80 plus 3 83. 80 plus 3 83. Correct? 80 plus 3 83 minus 3n is equal to less than 0 into 4 0. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ ಈಗ 80 plus 3 83 minus 3n ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ 4 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 4 0 minus 3n it will become what plus 3n correct 83 is less than 3n 83 is less than 3n okay ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಿತ್ತು plus 3n ಆಯ್ತು into 3 it will become divided by 3. 83 is divided by 3 less than n. Correct? ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತೀಕೋ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಈಗ 2 is less than 4 ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿ 4 is greater than 2 ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 2 ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ n is greater than 83 divided by 3 n is greater than 83 divided by 3 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 3 2s are 6 23 3 7s are 21 ಓಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಯ್ತು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 20 ಓಕೆ 3 6s are 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಏನಪ್ಪ 27.6 ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅದ n is greater than 27.6 ಬಟ್ n ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 27.6 ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳು ಓಕೆ ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 27.6 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 28 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು 28 therefore 28 n is equal to ಏನು ನಾನು therefore n is equal to 28 therefore 28th term of the AP is negative. First negative number is first negative number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 28th ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ರೈಟ್ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಹೌ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ರೈಟ್ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಗನೆ ನೋಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓಕೆ ಹೌ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ 28th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 28th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು 28 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ A28 is equal to A plus 27D. What is A value? 20 plus 27. What is D value? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 divided by 4. This is equal to 20. Plus into minus? Minus. 27 3s are 81 divided by 4. Division 1. 24s are 80 minus 81 divided by 4. 80 minus 81 minus 1 divided by 4. Yes or no? Minus 1 by 4 is the first negative term in this AP. A ಇದು AP ಅದಲ್ಲ 20 ಇದು 19 18 17 16 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು minus 1 by 4. Which term that is? 28th term. Understood? ತಿಳಿತದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ ರೈಟ್ Nineteenth question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees. What is the first salary of Subbarao? 5,000. First salary of Subbarao is equal to is equal to 5,000 rupees. 5,000 correct. First salary is equal to 5,000 rupees. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟನೇದ ಸರ್ first salary of Subbarao is equal to 5,000 rupees 5,000 rupees in the year 1995 ನೀವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ವರ್ಷ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ 1995 and received an increment of 200 rupees per year ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೈ ಚೇರ್ತಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 200 rupees understood 200 rupees ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಚಲೋ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಓಕೆ increment D is equal to 200 rupees difference increment D is equal to 200 rupees Then in which year did his income reach 7,000? The last income or salary is equal to rupees how much? 7,000. This is considered as AN. Last salary is AN. First salary is A. Then increment is D. Increment is D. A, D, AN. What we need to find out? Number of years. कितने साल में? Number of years. N is equal to question mark. Understood? अर्थ आगतदा? First salary A. Last salary AN. Increment difference. Number of years N. We know that the formula AN is equal to A plus in bracket N minus 1 into D. What is AN? 7,000. What is A? 5,000. What is N? Don't know. What is D? 200. Plus 5,000 it will become minus 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. Into 200 it becomes divided by 200. 2,000 divided by 200 is equal to N minus 1. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2 ones are, 2 tens are. 10 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1 is equal to N. Therefore, N is equal to 11. Therefore, in the year 1995 plus 11 is equal to 2006. His salary will be 7,000 rupees. Understood? In which year? In 2006. 2006 alone salary and question. Ramkali saved 5 rupees in first week. What is the first week savings of Ramkali? 5 rupees. First week savings. A is equal to how much? 5 rupees. A means first term. Salary of or savings of first week. And the increment, weekly increment is what is the weekly increment? 1.75. D is equal to 1.75 rupees. 1 rupee barane. Correct? 1.75 rupees is the weekly increment. Then nth week savings. What is the nth week savings? AN. Nth week savings andre ಏನಪ್ಪ? AN. AN is equal to 20.75 rupees. 20.75 rupees. What we need to find out? N. Find N. N is equal to question mark. Formula AN is equal to A plus in bracket N minus 1 into D. 20.75 is equal to A is 5 plus N minus 1 into 1.75 plus equal to minus 20.75 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. Next 15.75 is equal to N minus 1. Okay, into divided by 1.75. 1s are 1.75, 9s are. Okay, therefore 9 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 therefore N is equal to 10. In the 10th week, her savings will be 20 rupees 75 paisa. 10ನೇ ವಾರದೊಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಗಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳತೈತಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಂತ? ಗಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಡಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತ